Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Homes. Want an ad-free YouTube experience on your Firestick? No ads, smooth playback, and even 4K streaming? In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to install SmartTube on your Firestick in just a few minutes, step by step. Disclaimer: before we begin, SmartTube is a third-party app. Make sure you use apps responsibly and only stream content you have rights to. Step 1. Enable apps from unknown sources. First, we need to allow installation from unknown sources. Go to Settings, select My Fire TV. Click Developer Options. If you don't see Developer Options, go to about right pointing arrow, click Fire TV Stick 7 times. Turn on Apps from Unknown Sources. ADB Debugging. Step 2. Install Downloader app. Now we'll install the Downloader app. Go to Search, type Downloader, install it. This app helps us download SmartTube easily. Step 3. Download SmartTube. Open Downloader. Click Allow. Enter URL in description. Once the page loads, scroll down and download the latest version of SmartTube. Step 4. Install SmartTube. Click the downloaded file, select Install, wait a few seconds, and boom, SmartTube is installed. Click Open. Step 5. Set up SmartTube. When you open SmartTube for the first time, choose your preferred settings. Sign in with your YouTube account, optional. Now you can enjoy ad-free YouTube with extra features like conclusion. And that's it, you've successfully installed SmartTube on your Firestick. Now you can enjoy YouTube without ads and with better features. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment below if you face any issues, and subscribe for more Firestick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.